Ma'am, I should say the value for humanity.
At home, how would you describe your parenting style?
Learning is not limited to the books.
अगर आप ट्रस्ट नहीं करेंगे या फेथ नहीं करेंगे तो जहां आप उसको
सर हमारा जो एक वैल्यू है, जो कोर वैल्यू है राइजन का, ये नहीं है कि ओनली इंटरैक्ट और पुट द स्टूडेंट्स एट द हायर पेडेस्टल. Welcome to Coffee with Rise. This is a space for conversation, not about marks or ranking, but about the journey that shapes our children every day. I am Vaishali Biswas, the principal of Risen Nimbahera, and I invite you to join to this meaningful conversation that is with our dear parents, Mr. Pradeep Davar and Dr. Vinita Davar. They are the professionals in the education and have a long life of vision and mission in the bent of education, as well as their daughter Avni recently had visited IIT Delhi through Indian Debating League. So before we could go with this conversation, so I would like ma'am and sir to introduce themselves to all of us.
I am Dr. Vinita Davar, born and brought up in Neemuch. Completed my schooling from Karun Convent Senior Secondary School. Then after graduated in commerce, then I have done MBA in Human Resource Management. Then after MCOM in Accounting Group. And after that, I have completed my PhD from Pehar University, Udaipur. And right now being designated as a Vice Principal at Gyanodaya University. I'm having over 15 years of teaching experience at my workplace, that is Neemuch.
myself Pradeep Davar, born and brought in Nimbahera. I have completed my engineering in 2004. Around 22 year experience in different fields like coal, metal, and right now I am associate with JK Cement Nimbahera as a manager mines.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. That was really wonderful to hear from you guys. So my first question to sir and ma'am. You both come from a non-metro towns and very different professionals you people have taken off. Now, what values did your own upbringing give you?
Ma'am, I should say the value for humanity, hard work, and acceptance of the community. And we strongly believe in ethical code of conduct, and we pass on the same to Avni as well.
Okay, sir. Now, my next question to you, sir. You studied under the Rajasthan board and built a long career in mining. What did that phase of life teach you about the persistence and discipline?
माइनिंग इटसेल्फ एक अपने आप में टफ प्रोफेशन है.
जी.
जब राजस्थान बोर्ड से मैंने अपना कैरियर स्टार्ट किया इंजीनियरिंग की तरफ, तब राजस्थान बोर्ड उस समय निम्बाहेड़ा के अंदर हिंदी मीडियम ही थे. और जैसे ट्रिमेंडसली कॉलेज के अंदर गए तो एक तो लैंग्वेज बाउंडेशन आ गया, हिंदी टू इंग्लिश. देन उसके बाद कुछ डिटर्मिनेशन था, क्योंकि राजस्थान बोर्ड को क्लियर करके हम लोग कुछ कंपटीशन क्लियर करके एग्जाम में गए तो एक कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल था कि वी कैन डू इट, हम लोग कर सकते हैं. तो एक डिटर्मिनेशन के साथ और एक टफ प्रोफेशन को कैसे ओवरकम करना है, कैसे तरह से प्रॉब्लम को फेस करना है और उसको ओवरकम करना है, उसमें धीरे धीरे कॉन्फिडेंस लाए अपनी थॉट्स के ऊपर कि वी कैन डू इट.
That's great, sir. That's really great to hear. Ma'am, as someone who has studied and taught for years, what do you think people often misunderstand about what good education really is all about?
Ma'am, actually good education is not about learning through books. Education is all about exploring the world with their urge to run after excellence, to gain something new which can help them to prosper more in future.
So that means your message to the people is that it is always a new thing ahead.
Exactly.
Or to bring the values.
Learning is not limited to the books. Learning means it should have a permanent change in behavior through experience. And experience comes when you explore the new things.
Oh, well said, ma'am. Well said. Well said. So once again, my question, sir, ma'am. At home, how would you describe your parenting style? Strict, guiding, or allowing your children to discover on their own? How do you feel about it? That you want your children to be on their own, or you want them to be guided properly under your strict vigilance, or to be guided proper under discipline, or you want to give them the liberty of freedom?
We give her proper guidance and we allow her to take her own decision, but there is a limit too. She should know what limitations she is having and what moral values her family is inculcating in her. That is the main point.
So, as a mother, if I have to ask you whether you are strict or you give liberty,
50-50. Sometimes I'm strict and sometimes we have to give liberty to our children so that they can explore themselves.
But depending upon the situation.
that's great. That's great. The circumstances tells her how you have to guide them.
Avni was selected for a state in basketball, but at that time she was having her half-yearly exam. So we didn't allow her to go for the state basketball match. Even though she cried a lot कि बोली कि मुझे ये मेरा करियर मुझे बहुत हेल्प रहेगी इसकी अगर मुझे स्टेट में भी खेलने जाने दोगे. But that time I focused on the studies and that day study was the most important thing and it was on our priority. So we restricted her not to go for state.
That's lovely, ma'am. So, once again to you, ma'am. You often say teaching is about assisting discovery. How does that philosophy reflect in your role of becoming a mother?
Teaching is not only concerned with the classroom. Teaching involves practical learning too. Teaching focus on exploring the new things. Teaching focus on developing and nurturing a child or a student so that he or she can come up with the new ideas, or they should have practical knowledge. They should focus on critical thinking so that they can discover the new things. That is why I have related that teaching is all about assisting discoveries.
So, when you look at Avni today, what makes you most hopeful from Avni in her future? What do you think how her future could be?
We are very hopeful for Avni because she is having firm determination to achieve her vision. She is focused more on her values and she is having positive approach to the life. Whatever she is doing, if she fails, she learns from that and she moves on. So we are very positive for her future and we know that God will bless her with the best.
And what about Ayushman?
He is also having curiosity to learn the new things and he is more focused on the studies. So we hope same for Ayushman as well.
That's great, ma'am, to hear. Ma'am, what would you like to say to the parents who worry that exposure might distract the children from academics?
Like ma'am, earlier I have said कि exposure complements education. So parents need not to worry about the exposure what their children is having in school level. They should have open-minded thought. They should allow their students to learn the new things. They should focus on what their children is doing and let them go for the excellence.
Wonderful, ma'am. Sir, what advice would you like to give to the parents of Neemuch and Nimbahera who want their children to have big dreams?
Nimbahera, I think, is a small town. You should trust faith first in our children. After that, keep these things with school and teacher also. बिना फेथ बिना ट्रस्ट के आपका बच्चा ग्रो कर पाएगा. अगर आप ट्रस्ट नहीं करेंगे या फेथ नहीं करेंगे तो जहां आप उसको उसके गोल्डन टाइम में जो लाइफ का इनिशियल पीरियड है आप तो साथ जा नहीं रहे, आप टीचर्स के भरोसे हैं, स्कूल के भरोसे हैं. ऐसा नहीं, उन पे टीचर्स पे भी ट्रस्ट करना पड़ेगा और फेथ करना पड़ेगा कि दे आर गिविंग गुड एजुकेशन, क्योंकि वो एक अच्छा एजुकेशन के साथ साथ एक अच्छा इंसान भी बनाएंगे, जो उसके लाइफ में वही चीज उसके काम आएगी। तो आई एम गिविंग टू मैसेज टू ऑल पेरेंट्स कि ऐसा नहीं कि आपने बच्चों को स्कूल में भेज दिया है तो आप फ्री हो गए। आपको भी उनको उतना ही टाइम देना पड़ेगा जितना टाइम स्कूल दे रहा है आपके बच्चों को भविष्य को बनाने के लिए और उसको अच्छा इंसान बनाने के लिए। आपको ट्रस्ट करना पड़ेगा स्कूल के ऊपर, स्कूल के टीचर के ऊपर, स्कूल के एनवायरनमेंट के ऊपर और अपने बच्चे के ऊपर, तभी एक वो अच्छा इंसान बन पाएगा।
जैसे हमने अवनी और आयुष्मान, अगर जब वो स्कूल में होते हैं तो हम स्कूल से ज्यादा सेफ बच्चे के लिए कुछ नहीं होता है। तो हमारा सोसाइटी के लिए, पेरेंट्स के लिए यही मैसेज है कि आप अपने बच्चों के ऊपर भरोसा रखिए। आपने जो वैल्यूज उन्हें दी हैं, आप हमेशा ये बताइए कि स्कूल में जाकर वो वैल्यूज जो है वो मल्टीप्लाई होगी, एड ऑन नहीं होगी। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपके बच्चे को अगर आपने अच्छे संस्कार दिए हैं तो 100% आपका बच्चा कहीं नहीं जाएगा, वो आपके साथ ही रहेगा। और हमेशा आज वो आपके नाम से जाना जाता है, कल आप उनके नाम से जाने जाएंगे।
At last but not the least, how do you feel and what is your reaction that you have first time visited us with Coffee with Ryzen? How do you feel and what is your excitement in that? Yes, of course, you had to go with Coffee with Ryzen today.
Ma'am, actually we were very excited. This is actually our first time we are shooting and we are very eager to look forward for our video. This is our first time we are shooting. This is the pilot episode. So we are very much excited. हमने छुट्टी ली अपने काम से और हम यहाँ पर हैं, इतने एक्साइटेड हैं हम।
ऐसे भी होगा कि हम आपको डिबेट्स में लेके आए हैं, एक डिबेटिंग भी हो गई है साथ में।
बस फर्स्ट टाइम इस तरह से हो रहा है कि कोई स्कूल अपना एक तरह से फीडबैक ले रहा है पेरेंट्स से, कि आज के टाइम में वेयर स्टैंड।
सो हमारा जो एक वैल्यू है, जो कोर वैल्यू है राइजन का, ये नहीं है कि ओनली इंटरैक्ट और पुट द स्टूडेंट्स एट द हायर पेडिस्टल। हमारा इंटरैक्शन विद द पेरेंट्स है, बिकॉज मैनेजमेंट, प्रिंसिपल, स्टूडेंट, वी ऑल आर पार्टनर्स, अ कोलैबोरेटेड पार्टनर। और एक हमारा वैल्यू है कोलैबोरेशन, और कोलैबोरेशन सक्सेसफुल तब होता है जब हम टीम और टीम होता है सभी से। एक हाथ से ताली तो बजती नहीं है, तो इट्स लाइक अ टीम, लाइक अ स्टूडेंट, लाइक अ पेरेंट, लाइक अ टीचर्स, लाइक अ मैनेजमेंट। सो वी आर ऑल फोकस्ड। एक हमारा जो कोर वैल्यू है, आपका फोकस्ड है या टीम वर्क है या कोलैबोरेशन है। तो हम लोग जब एक टीम बन के आएंगे तो मे बी वी बिकम अ टॉक ऑफ टाउन इन निम्बेहेड़ा एंड ऑफ कोर्स इन होल चित्तौड़ एंड राजस्थान।
Yes.
दैट्स द विजन ऑफ राइजन, व्हाट वी हैव ब्रॉट अप।
यस मैम, ये बहुत ही अच्छा आपने स्टार्ट किया है पॉडकास्ट एंड 100% लाइक अगर हम अपने व्यूज को अगर हम एक्सप्रेस करना है, अगर हम इतना क्लोजली नहीं मिलेंगे तो हम व्यूज को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाएंगे। सो दिस इज द बेस्ट वे of knowing the parents more closer, and you are treating us like a family, so that touches our heart. Thank you.
That's great. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Thank you so much for your valuable inputs. Thank you to remind us that the life continues with lot of values, exposure, and belief. Long outcomes are visible if we inculcate all these values and imbibe in our life. Till then, thank you so much. Till we meet next time again.
Thank you.